Imagine a machine so powerful, so refined, and so luxurious that it completely redefines what a motorhome can be. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that blends heavy-duty trucking heritage with five-star hotel comfort. As it comes into view, the first thing you notice is its commanding presence. The long nose design stretches forward with authority, crowned by a massive chrome grille that reflects the world around it like a mirror. Wide fenders, sculpted body lines, and precision-cut LED headlights give it a bold, futuristic character. This is a vehicle designed not just to be seen, but to be remembered. Beneath the hood lies a heavy-duty diesel engine engineered for endurance and dominance. Producing over 600 horsepower and nearly 2,000 pound-feet of torque, this powerhouse moves the motorhome effortlessly across highways, mountain passes, and open deserts. A multi-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth, intelligent gear changes, delivering quiet cruising at highway speeds and confident control on steep climbs. The ride quality is transformed by a fully independent air ride suspension system that absorbs bumps and road imperfections, making long-distance travel feel calm and composed. A multi-axle chassis distributes the vehicle's weight evenly, providing exceptional stability even at higher speeds or during sharp maneuvers. Step inside, and the world changes instantly. The cabin opens into a luxury living space inspired by high-end hotel suites. Soft ambient LED lighting glows along handcrafted wood panels and premium trim. Deep leather seating offers both comfort and style, while wide panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light and breathtaking views of the outside world. The kitchen area is designed for real living on the road. A modern induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size refrigerator, and custom storage cabinets allow you to prepare complete meals wherever you travel. Solid surface countertops and elegant finishes turn everyday cooking into a premium experience. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom becomes a private retreat. A plush king-size bed, climate-controlled comfort, and integrated entertainment system create a space designed for true rest and relaxation. Storage wardrobes and hidden compartments ensure everything has its place, even on extended journeys. The bathroom completes the luxury experience. A spacious rain shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, and high-quality materials deliver the feeling of a five-star hotel, but entirely on wheels. From the driver's seat, technology takes center stage.